what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So as I told you in my previous video that I will be uploading Samsung tips and tricks related videos regularly in this channel, and obviously I will upload One UI 7 update related videos if there is any big news. As you all know, Samsung phones has very bad battery backup, especially if you have a Samsung compact phone like Samsung S23, S23 FE, S21 FE or etc. So mostly all Samsung phones has very bad battery backup. That's why most of the Samsung users use this feature called power saving mode. Okay, if you turn this power saving mode on, you will get at least 1.5 hours of extra screen on time. But there is one big problem guys. If you turn this feature on, you will be noticing that 5G network will switch to 4G. If I turn this feature on, power saving mode, you will be noticing that the network will switch to from 5G to 4G, and it's a big problem, especially if you live in India. You will know that 5G Geo is free, right? But if you use 4G, the network, the data will be deducted. So it's a big issue. So guys, do you know that you can still use 5G in power saving mode? Let me show you. If I turn this off, and before turning this on, you have to press over here for a few seconds. Okay, then you will get up to this setting. Then you have to turn this setting off. Turn off 5G network. Turn this off. Okay. Now what you can do is now just turn this on. You can see 5G network is over there, and even if I turn power saving mode, the 5G network will still work. You can see the 5G network is still there. So guys, this is how you can use 5G network in power saving mode. So you will get extra battery backup, but also your network is still fast, so you are not compromising in your network. Okay, so guys, if this video was helpful for you, please like the video. Like is completely free, and if you have a Samsung phones, do subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you very much for watching guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye. Take care.